Alright guys, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be showing you how you can make 2,000 to 5,000 naira daily using just your smartphone. You don't need to have any skill, you don't need to have any experience, you just need your smartphone and your data, and you'll be able to make 2,000 to 5,000 naira every day using your smartphone. And this money is totally withdrawable. So I'll be going ahead to withdraw the money right away so they can see if truly I'm lying or not. So for me to withdraw this money, I'll simply go to this hamburger icon right here. Then I'll click on payment. So once I click on payment, then it will bring up the payment page. So right here, I already added my account number, my bank details. So I'll go ahead and click withdraw to bank. So once I click withdraw to bank, they'll ask me to select the bank I want to withdraw to. So and I'll choose my OP account. Don't worry, I will show you how to add your account details so that I can also withdraw your money whenever you make money. So on this platform, the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira and the maximum withdrawal is 400,000 naira. So for me right now, I want to withdraw 4,000 naira. I'll first add my password to verify I truly own the account. So I'll put in 4,000 naira right here. So once I do that, so then I click on withdraw. Alright, you can see withdrawal of 4,000 naira is successful. Your payment will be processed in seconds. Kindly refresh the page to view your status. And you can see right here, I'm seeing 4,000 naira has been transferred to your O. Let me open the notification so that I get to see what I just saw right now. So they said 4,000 naira has been transferred from wallet to O wallet. Your O wallet balance is blah blah blah. You can see that. So it shows that I just received 4,000 naira to my account just right now. Alright, so if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinosu, and on this channel I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results with your internet marketing activities. So if you are new on this channel, ensure to subscribe to my channel, ensure to like this video, and also drop a comment so that this video will reach more people. If you're able to do this and it worked for you, just drop a comment. If you have questions, drop a comment and I'll ensure I answer your questions. So this particular platform I'll be showing you guys is called social earning. On this platform, you perform simple tasks like liking someone's social media post, commenting on someone's YouTube video, following someone on social media, listening to someone's music on Audiomack. Just some simple tasks you get to do within 3 to 5 seconds, and you are being paid for such tasks. So I'll be showing you how you can create your account on this platform so that I can also start earning just like I did. So for you to create an account on this platform, I'll drop the link to create your account in the description so that you can check it and click on it and create your account right away. So once you click on that link, you will land on this page. The beauty about this platform is that every step of the process, there is always a video to guide you if you don't know how to do it. But then, what am I here for? Just like in case you watch my video and you still have some unanswered questions, you can also watch the video you saw in the platform. So right here, you put in your first name, then over here you put in your last name, then you put in your username right here, and put in your email right here, and over here you come and choose earner. Choose you want to register as an earner because you want to make money from the platform, obviously. So once you choose earner, then you put in the password you wish to use and also confirm your password, and you click on register. Hope you understand what I'm doing, guys. It's important you note what they said right here. They said the name you use must be the same as the name in your bank details so that you will not have any issue with withdrawal when it's time for withdrawal. Ensure you use the same name that is your bank details when creating your account. So once you are done creating your account, then you log in and this is what will appear right on your dashboard. So just click on this cancel up here to cancel it. Then right here you'll see 00 naira at your own end. So I just withdrew some money. That is why it is remaining 266 naira. So for you, you'll be seeing 0 naira. Where they wrote this withdraw, right on your own screen, you'll get to see click here to activate. So you are supposed to activate your account right away so that you can get access to the tax on the platform. And also, it's possible you get to see that they ask you to verify your email to confirm you are the owner of the email. So ensure you go ahead and do that right away by going to your email and clicking on the verification link. So once you're done verifying your email, then you come back here and activate your account with just 1,000 naira. So you have to activate your account so that you can be able to access the several tasks on the platform. So once you're done activating your account, then when you come back to your dashboard, it won't be showing click here to activate again. It will now be showing withdraw. You can see that we have withdraw right on my screen. So yours will be showing withdraw instead of click here to activate once you are done activating your account. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to connect your social media profiles to this platform. So for you to do that, just click on this hamburger icon up here. So once you click on that, you get to see that we have several lists here. The first one is dashboard, which is what we are on right now. Then we have tax. Once you go to tax, you get to see all the tax that you can perform to make money. Then you can see we have social media. Social media is where you get to connect all your social media profiles to this platform. Then the payment is where you get to withdraw money to your bank. Then the profile is where you get to see the results you've made over time, the tax you've done over time, and every other thing. So for us right now, we want to go to where we have social media. So once you click on social media, you get to see this add social media button. So you are supposed to add your various social media so that you'll be able to do the tax on this platform. So I'll click add social media. Once I click on that, you can see that there's an instruction here. So take your time and go through this instruction to understand what they said. Instruction number 2 said you must add your social earning username to your social media account bio. That's just very simple. You can see mine is nomsocials. So I'll just take nomsocials and go and write it on my social media bio. It's just very simple. In case you're having difficulty with that, you can just come to where we have click here to watch videos on how to add your social media. You know, like I said, every step of the process, there's always a video to guide you on how to do it. So just come over to where you have select social media. So once you click on that, then you get to choose any of the social media you want to add. Let's assume I want to add Facebook, though I already added Facebook. So I'll click on Facebook. Then it will ask me to copy my Facebook link and I'll get to click on submit. Just very simple. And if you are doing it and they are rejecting it, it means you are doing something wrong. So just ensure you come back to this place where they said click here to watch videos on how to add your social media so that you get to learn how to add it correctly. So once you're done adding all the social media platforms that you tend to use, then the next thing you want to do is you want to start performing tasks. You can see all the ones I've added here. So it is normal if you actually add a social media platform and they get to reject it. You can see initially mine was being rejected because I was not getting it right, but eventually I got it right, and these ones are the ones that were approved. Can you see that? So once you're done adding all your social media platforms, then you want to go and start doing the tax. So click on the hamburger icon. Once you click on that, you get to see where you have tax. So click on tax. Then right here, you get to see the several tax on this platform. So you can see right now, I have about 92 tax that are undone. And each of the tax come with the amount you will be earning. So you can see the first tax, which is Telegram channel. They want us to join a Telegram channel. And you can see the amount I'll be making for that. If I should get to join that Telegram channel, they'll get to pay me 8 naira. So let's assume I want to do this first tax. I'll just click on view tax. Once I click on view tax, then this will load up for us. Then you get to read this instruction so that you don't do mistake when you are doing your tax. There's always an instruction for every tax. So I'll just click on view job. So once I click on view job, then it will load up the tax you have to do. Do you understand? So just go ahead and do that tax. Then you come here, put in the username of your Telegram channel. The good thing about this is that it will come up automatically because you've connected it to this platform. So for me, once I click on this, you can see that mine is coming up automatically. Then right here, I'll get to submit a screenshot of the tax I did just to confirm that I truly did it, and I'll click on submit. And that is basically how you get to do tax on this platform. Now lastly, you can maximize your earning by inviting your friends to join this platform, and whenever they get to join this platform through you, you get to earn an extra 500 naira for each person that joins the platform through you. So once you go to your dashboard, just come over to where you have referral link. Then you get to click on copy referral link. So once I click on copy, then it has been copied to my clipboard. So I just go and send it to whoever wishes to make money on this platform through my link. So for you to withdraw your money on this platform, just simply come to this hamburger icon. So once you click on it, just go to where you have payments. So right here, you get to add your account details. You get to add your bank details. So you can see right here, I already have my own bank details added. So just come over to where you have add bank accounts. You can see add bank accounts. So click on it. Then it will bring up this page for you where you get to add your account number and also select your bank name. So once you're done with these two things, then you verify your account details. That's just very simple. So that's basically how this platform works. You can go ahead and try it and start making money for yourself. You can make an extra 2 to 5,000 naira every day using this platform. So I believe you actually enjoyed this video. If you did, ensure to subscribe to my channel, ensure to like this video, and ensure to share this video to those that you feel need to make extra money using their smartphone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.